This is the question of profit and loss asked in UPSC CSAT exam 2016, right? So the question is, a person allows a 10% discount for cash payment from the marked price of a toy, and still he makes a 10% gain. So what the shopkeeper is doing? He is offering 10% discount on the marked price, and still he is able to make 10% profit. So what is the cost price of the toy, which is marked 770, right? So see what is happening. There is a cost price, right? There is a marked price and there is a selling price, right? So he is making a 10% profit. So we can say that the selling price is equal to the marked price. He is offering a discount of 10%. So we can write this 10%, right? This is MP, not MK, right? So he is offering 10% discount on marked price. So it means that is his selling price, and the marked price is given 770. So we will put this one here. So it will become 770 minus this 0 will cancel this 0, 1 upon 10 into 770. This 0 will cancel this 0. So this will come out 693, right? So he is selling at 693 rupees and the price is marked 770 rupees. Okay. So the question is asking the cost price. Okay. So we know that the cost price, so cost price is asking, right? And he's selling at 693. So this 693 include 10% profit what he is making, isn't it? So this price include 10% profit or not, right? Because the question is saying that he is selling at this price, still he is making 10% profit. Okay. So we can either write it like this, that the selling price is 693 is equal to what? 10% profit of cost price. So either we can write this is equal to 110% of CP, or you can write it like this, because he is making it 10% profit. If it would have been loss, we have write it minus here, not plus, right, on cost price. So this will come out the same. Okay. So it will be 693 is equal to CP 110 upon 100. This 0 will cancel this 0, right? This 10 will go this side, 11 will come down, right? So this will be CP is equal to 693 into 10 upon 11. 11 can cut this, 63. So the cost price is 630 rupees, right? So the answer will be option C. So the cost price of an article is 630 rupees. I hope you all can understand this question. Okay.